Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Oh my gosh, okay, so vlog in a long time. I've not vlogged in a long time. Anyway, this is me natural. Literally woke up, brushed my teeth, dancing. And I tried to watch Love Island, but it's too dead. I couldn't. So what we're gonna do today, I don't have braces, I love it, but what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna take you guys through me getting ready because me and my sister are going out. I booked today off work so I can spend some last moments with them before they go out to a whole nother across the world. But I have work so I can't go with them. But anyway, my plan is to actually try my best to do a nice makeup look today. Also, I never really wear clothes that are fitted, but I think I'm gonna step out my comfort zone and I'm gonna wear this vest today and shorts because it's gonna be the hottest day in the weather. So guys, like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna play Sims while my sister's shower. Okay guys, I might done everything shower, except for my hair obviously. Glasses on for this. Dried out mascara. Dries, guys, I'm gonna go pause and do my mascara. Okay guys, so while the mascara dries, because I'm gonna be like removing the parts that went in my skin, I'm gonna go with some concealer on top of my eyebrows. Now that my eyes have dried out, I'm gonna go remove all this stuff right here with the spoolie. Now I'm gonna put some blush on my nose and a bit on my cheeks. So yeah. I'm done with my face. Now it's time for the hair. I almost forgot, before I do, I almost forgot that I need to do, I almost forgot about jewellery. Well, I wasn't gonna forget, but I forgot I did before anything. Hold up, I've decided I don't want to do that. I think I'm gonna do a low. Then do some edges. You see that? I've actually not been vlogging as much because I love being in the moment, and like vlogs kind of ruin that. Do you get me? Because you have to remember to bring out the camera, and I just want to be vibing. I take photos for my private Insta, and I will do like a short or maybe something like that with the photos, because you know how photos go to live, they go live. So yeah, I'll just do that, something like that. But yeah, now I'm thinking that I want a nose piercing. I don't know if I want to do this. I don't like silver on me. Okay guys, I'm actually done getting ready. I normally like fresh, just out the shower scents, but I might do like a nice lady. No, it has a bit of a granny scent. Thank you for getting ready with me, and yeah.